Alright, today we're going to be taking some of my friends for their very first drive in my E30. I was trying to think of some sort of way to show you guys just how the car feels, and maybe the best way to do that is to get some first time reactions to the car just doing some good old pulls. So, let's jump into it. Alright, so some of you might not know this car. It is a 6.2 liter LS3 swapped. It's got a Tremec 6-speed in it, and it's got 325 gears in the back. It is a whole bunch of fun to drive. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's right around 400 wheel horsepower, I assume. I'm definitely gonna have to get it to the dyno this summer to get some real numbers, but for now, that's my guesstimate. Let's get some people in the car and start taking them for drives. Okay, so this is my girlfriend Violetta. This is Danny. This is Lizzie. This is Daniel. This is Val.
Hi guys.
And what's the fastest car you've been in, you think?
Probably a Volkswagen Golf GT.
Nice.
An E36.
An E36.
My car, I think. I used to drive manual, and this one is not, so I think it goes really fast.
Okay. She has like a 2010?
11.
2011 okay. Jetta.
Other than this one?
Yeah.
Probably Kevin's 55 Chevy.
Nice. Okay. Yeah, so it's a 55 Chevy. It's running a 327 small block V8 with nitrous. I think it's right around 350 wheel. Do you think that's faster than mine?
No.
Sweet. Cool. Cool.
My buddy's Pro 2 drift car, or it was an X Pro 2 drift car. It's a JZ swapped S14.
Nice. You know how much power it makes?
I think he said like 550 at the wheels.
Okay, I don't know if I can compete with that.
But it's like, it's turbo, right? So it's different. Like I feel like any power is different.
Yeah, it's very consistent. My tack isn't working the best today, so I'm just shifting with the heart. Alright, are you ready?
I think so. Still like I have an option.
Yeah?
Yeah. Alright, I'm ready.
Oh my god, that's wild.
Holy
How was that?
It's so fast. Lucas, I like your car.
Thank you. How was that one?
That was good.
I love how you've already driven this car. Like, you've been in this car so many times, and yet every time you crunch up. Like, I guess you just know.
I don't want to die.
You know what to expect. It's like consistent.
Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying. It's totally different than like a turbo car, because like when you shift, like a lot of times you have that like half a second where you have to wait for the boost to build again. But it's like Clayton said, it just keeps going. You're like, oh, okay.
Is it?
That's a lot.
Okay, no, maybe I don't even know what I'm talking about.
Good guess, good guess.
Thank you. 1800.
I'm honored that you think it has that much power.
It feels like it has a little power.
So after looking over the footage, it seemed like everyone had a smile on their face, they wanted to do more and more pulls, and everyone seemed really quite comfortable in the car. And I think that's really an accurate representation of how the car truly feels. It is an awesome amount of power, it's super fun, it's addictive, the torque is just absolutely insane, but it's at that nice level where it's still comfortable, you can slam through the gears and you're not terrified of dying. And I think we kind of saw that in everyone's reactions. They just had a smile on their face, they loved the feeling of the acceleration, and they wanted to do more and more pulls. But that's all we're gonna be doing for today. Make sure to go check out some other videos on our channel. We've got our V10 Rx7, we've got a V8 Miata, and I'll be doing some more videos on the LS3. Besides that, we'll see you guys next week.